Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to changing the your account title to welcome plus customer name. So if you are looking is an first solution, then you can continue this video. So let's get started. Here is the real example, and I am right now on my account page, and the title is my account, and I wanted to earn someone visit or log in their account, then they will get a message welcome plus the username or customer name. Okay, so to do this, first I'm going to my admin panel, then click on the online store. Now going to click on the action button, select edit code. Here I'm going to search a file named customer, then going to open customers account.liquid file. Here is the customer account.liquid file, and here I'm going to add some code. Instead of this code, I'm going to type welcome name, then click on the save. Okay, now I'm going to refresh my account page. Wow, I can see that the title automatically changes. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.